Hey LinkedIn, my name is Chirag and this is Project 101. So what you're looking here is a system monitor for Linux operating system. This is very similar to Task Manager of Windows 10 and Activity Monitor in Mac if you're used to Mac. So on the first column here is the process IDs. These are all individual process working in the background, and this is the CPU usage and the RAM associated with it, as well as the time it's been up since. So these are all real time. On the top here is the CPU usage and the memory of the entire system accumulated. So what would be the best or like the top feature of the application? Well, I would say it is the fact that it can sort those processes in terms of the highest demanding process that is consuming the highest RAM, like top 10 process every second. And how is it working then? So these are all the C++ files associated with it, and then the header file as well. The Linux parser file here, this is the main file that's going in the folder in the Linux operating system and fetching all the data required, which is normal in terms of string, and then this file is converting those into integers and floats and doing required calculations. So if I go to the proc directory within Linux operating system, you can see these are all the folders, which is nothing but this process IDs. So if I go to one of the folder here, now you can see there is a whole bunch of file, and files like stat or status, it will have all the required data on RAM or how is it utilizing the CPU, and then we can do further processing to calculate the required data. So let's see the example of change in the system. So if you can see here or focus here for on a CPU and memory for a second, let me open Firefox. So you see how the CPU and memory, both of them are jumping around a lot. When I close this, you can see it will go down again. So this is all showing real time. So I've started programming since last 8 months, and my background is not programming or computer science, and I'm finding it quite fascinating. I hope you like this project. I'll be keep posting new projects. um, I'll try to do every 3 weeks or a month. I hope you like this project. Any suggestions or feedback is very welcome. Thank you so much for your time and have a nice day.